Pandemic, the U.S. President Joe Biden is currently at the Center for Disease Control. He's speaking there. Let's take you live quickly.
World. That is, every time we've gone into a crisis, have come out stronger immediately after the crisis than when we went in before the crisis. Think about it. It's about who we are. Closing comment. I was at Xi Jinping in China. I spent more time with him, I'm told, than any world leader, because when he was vice president, I was vice president. His president and mine wanted us to get to know one another because it was clear he was going to become the president. I traveled 17,000 miles with him in China, the United States, and Asia generally, and met with him, I guess, they tell me 24, 25 hours alone, just me and an interpreter, and he and an interpreter. And by the way, I handed in all my notes. Minor point. But all kidding aside, he asked me, we're on the Tibetan plateau, and he said to me, can you define America for me? And I said, yeah, in one word, and I mean it, one word: possibilities. Possibilities. That's what you guys believe in, possibilities, based on science and hard data. And so I just thank you for not only your intellectual skills, but your heart, your determination. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And I shouldn't have done that because I wanted to yield to my vice president, who's smarter than I am.
Well, there's not much to add to that, Mr. President.
I was just sorry.
No, but I will say that I do believe that this administration, with the leadership of our president, is without any question about science. And everyone here knows before the president was president, he was dedicated to science, the moonshot. And my mother was a scientist. I grew up, the first job I had, little known fact, was cleaning pipettes in her lab. I was awful, she fired me. And then there was this moment of global crisis. And the president takes calls with leaders around the world. We talk with people around the world. And they have named their centers of disease control after this center of disease control. Mm-hmm. They put the name of their country and they call it CDC. That's right. You all are a model for the world around what can be done based on a pursuit of that which will uplift and improve human condition and life. And you guys do this work around the clock. And so we are here to say thank you, because it's not easy. You're making difficult decisions right now, some of the most difficult, but you're making those decisions based on science, based on hard work, and based on a commitment to the public health. And therein lies part of the nobility of your work. You do this work on behalf of people you will never meet, on behalf of people who will never know your names, because you care about our country and their well-being. So we are here to thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so very much. Thank you. Thank you for your visit. Thank you for reinvigorating us. I can promise you, as long as this team of people are here, as long as I am here, we will bake into the cake of everything we do our commitment to equity, to science, and to bring back the health to the American people.
All right, that was U.S. President Joe Biden and his deputy Kamala Harris addressing staffers there at the Center for Disease Control. It sounded like a real moral boosting talk at this very important institution right now, given the ravages of COVID-19. And let's just look at Joe Biden. I mean, there was some concern about his own health earlier, missing a step twice. That was on a stairwell linking to a plane. Concerns, of course, because he is elderly, but he does seem to be okay standing up there on his own 2 feet, maybe looking a little bit uncomfortable, but definitely his physicians would be on the case of that. Okay, that was live from Atlanta. Let's now get back with other international news.